Hi guys, thank you so much. Welcome to the channel Jocare Services, Jocare TV. My name is Jocare, the son of Africa, born to inspire before I expire. And today we are here at Halshon High School main campus, and there are a lot of things that we need to learn from Halshon High School. You know, this curriculum has changed everything. When you see a new building those days in any school, just know that that is a new classroom or maybe a new office. But here in this curriculum, Halshon is putting this new building, and guess what guys, this new building is a poultry unit. This is a poultry house, and we are going to learn more. Why is Halshon High School putting poultry houses or poultry units within a school? One of the reasons is to impart that knowledge, the skill of poultry keeping to the learners themselves, because this curriculum needs people to know how to do these things by themselves. And let's first learn about this house here. I was telling you these are just carpenters. These are carpenters, and down there they will put concrete, and this is just iron sheet. Someone can just use even the local iron sheet, but make sure that concrete is there. That one will protect this maybe from getting damaged from water and the thermal. So that is how the poles are, and these are the size of poles. So when you come inside here, this is how the home looks. They just finished it of recent, and this one is the block. Instead of wasting the space, this one is just a fence. The wall fence. Many of you have the wall fences outside there in your schools, but how are you utilizing it? So Halshon has decided to use this and that. So if you see the other side, the building is very big. But what are they putting in this building? This very year is when they started this construction, I think like 2 weeks back. But what are they putting here? They are going to put here chicken that the students themselves are going to learn from how to do poultry keeping even back when they go back home. So they are going to do their projects here. And the other thing is that many schools will tell you that agriculture is the only subject that will simplify the feeding of students and pupils in primary schools and secondary schools. So here in Halshon, when I tell you Halshon High School has a day that where all students are supposed to eat chicken, and today I am going to show you that. So because the number of students in Halshon is growing every day, so the director has decided to construct this big building here, and this big building is where they are going to start keeping the poultry starting from next term, and the next term of diet is going to come from this building here. So let me take you where we have where they're going to have their lunch today, and you see the reality. So this is the advice I need to give to all schools outside there. Come and learn from Halshon High School. And if you need your student, if you need your child to learn things that will make a child not to look for jobs, will make a child to become rich even when he's still at school, Halshon High School becomes the best school for you. I'm going to be showcasing you this. The day we are bringing chicken here, when students are brooding, when they are doing everything, I'll be able to showcase you everything. Thank you so much guys. Allow me go. You'll be able to understand what is going to happen there. Thanks so much guys for watching. See you.
Welcome to Halshon High School, where peace is the key to quality education. Here, every learner finds a place to grow, academically, morally, and socially.
At Halshon, we provide quality education that nurtures the critical thinking, creativity, and innovation.
Our dedicated teachers ensure every student achieves academic excellence.
Education at Halshon goes beyond the classroom.
Students discover their talents through sports, music, leadership, and creative clubs that build confidence.
and teamwork. We are committed to raising morally upright citizens guided by discipline, respect, integrity, values that last a lifetime. Join Halshon High School today, where peace leads to quality education and success.